Welcome back, students. Here we are going to start with the part 2 of chapter number 8, Algebraic Expression. Now let us learn about the coefficient. What is a coefficient? Let us see with the help of an example. I have taken a term 3x square y. It is algebraic expression and a monomial. Now first, the coefficient is divided into two parts, that is numerical coefficient and literal coefficient. Let us explain with the help of an example. 3x square y is a term in which 3 is numerical coefficient, x square y is an literal coefficient. Every term will have a numerical and literal coefficient. Now let us explain with another example, that is polynomial 2x square minus 3x plus 9. In this, every single term will have a literal and numerical coefficient. Let us see the first term. 2x square is the first term. What is the coefficient of 2 in 2x square? X square is the coefficient because we have removed 2 from the 2x square. Now let's see the next one. What is the coefficient of x in 2x square? That is 2x, because when we remove x from 2x square, so 2x remains. Now next let us see what is the coefficient of x square in 2x square. We have removed x square, so what is remaining, children? 2. So 2 is the coefficient of x square. Now in the same example, let us see the coefficient of the next term, that is minus 3x. We are going to see the literal coefficient. Literal coefficient of minus 3 in minus 3x is x. And the numerical coefficient of x in minus 3x is minus 3. The next part that we are going to learn is power or degree of the polynomial. Let's take an example. 2x square minus 5x plus 7. In this, we will see the highest power of the variable. So let us see. The power of the variable here is x square and this x1, and here there is no variable, so we can say the degree of polynomial is 2 because the power is x raised to 2, which is the highest in this algebraic expression. Let us take the next example. 3x cube minus 5x square minus 9x. Again, here we are going to say that x raised to 3 is the power, x raised to 2 is the power, x raised to 1 is the power. So the degree of the polynomial here is 3. Now let us take the third example, that is 3x square y minus 9x y plus 2. Here we have used two variables, but still we are going to see the power. So x raised to 2 and y raised to 1. It will become 3, and here x raised to 1 and y raised to 1. So the degree of the polynomial here is 3. So let us write So we have to write always the highest power that we get for the variable is known as the degree of the polynomial. About the like terms and the unlike terms. Here a few algebraic expressions are given from which we are going to find the like terms and the unlike terms. Let us see the expressions. 2x square, 3x cube, 3y square, 6x square minus 5x plus 2x. From these terms, we are going to find which are the like terms and which are the unlike terms. Let us take the first example, 2x square. We will find which other is the same term like this, where the variable and the powers are the same. Here we can say 6x square is the same. So we can write 6x square as like term. Now next example we will see, children, minus 5x plus 2x. Here children, the variables and the powers are the same, so we can say this is also a like term. On all the like terms, we can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now let us know about the unlike terms. From the same expressions, we will find which are the unlike terms. Let us take the first two. That is 2x square and 3x cube. Even though the variables are same, x, but the powers are different, so we say they are unlike terms. Now let us take the second example, 3x cube and 3y square. In this children, again the variables are also different and the powers are also different, so they are unlike terms. We cannot perform addition and subtraction on unlike terms. With this children, we will solve the practice set 32. We have already seen in the explanation how we can differentiate an algebraic expression into monomials, binomials, trinomials or polynomials. I have explained with the examples. Now we are going to solve this practice set 32 on that basis. Let us start. Classify the following algebraic expressions as monomials, binomials, trinomials or polynomials. Here examples of some algebraic expressions are given. We are going to classify them. Let's see the first one, 7x. It is one term, so we can call it as monomial. Second one, 5y minus 7z. Here there are two terms, 5y first one and the second one is minus 7z. It is a binomial because it is separated with a subtraction sign. Now let's see the third one, 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11. Children, here there are three terms. 3x cube first one, second one minus 5x square and the third one is minus 11. So it is a trinomial. Now see this fourth algebraic expression. In this there are four terms. We already know when there are more than two terms in a algebraic expression, it can be called as polynomial. So children, your first term is 1, second one is minus 8, third one is minus 7a square and the fourth one is 7a cube. So it is a polynomial. Now let's see the fifth algebraic expression, 5m minus 3. Here there are two terms. The first one is 5m and the second one is minus 3. So it is a binomial. See the sixth one, only a is given one term. So it is a monomial. Seventh one, only 4 is given. So it is a monomial, one term. Eighth example of algebraic expression, 3y square minus 7y plus 5. Three terms are there. First one is 3y square, second one is minus 7y and the third one is plus 5. So it is a trinomial. We will stop here and continue in the next video with the remaining part of this chapter. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.